Hello friends, do you ever start speaking English and suddenly your mind goes blank? You know the word, but you just can't remember it. Don't worry, this happens to everyone. In this video, I will share 5 smart and practical techniques to help you speak smoothly without getting stuck. Boost your confidence fast. The tip 1 is train your mind to think in English. Most learners translate from Hindi to English, and that slow you down. Okay? Instead, try to think directly in English. Start small. I'm eating. I'm going outside. Simple thought is equal to faster speaking. Remember, okay? The more you think in English, the less you forget words. Okay, friends? And the 20 टिप 2 होगा replace यानी don't stop. Okay, let's go the topic. If you forget a word, don't freeze. Use a different, easier word. Example: this food is yum. Forget delicious. No problem. Say this food is very tasty. Your goal is communication, not perfection. Remember that. Smart speakers always find another way to express. Tip 3: speak every single day. Practice is the real game changer. You don't need a partner every time. Try this. Talk to yourself. Speak in front of a mirror. Describe what you are doing a day. Example: I'm opening the door. Now I am sitting. Daily speaking is equal to strong memory plus faster recall. Okay? And the tip 4: learn words in sentences. Don't just memorize words like a list. Learn them inside a sentences. Example: hungry. Say not. Say I am feeling very hungry right now. This helps you brain connected meaning plus uses. Sentences makes word easier to remember while speaking. 5. Stay relaxed, not perfect. When you panic, your brain block words. So relax. If you forget something, explain differently. Example: I forget the word, but it's something you use to cut paper or scissors. Confidence grow when you stay calm and calm. Remember, speaking is skill, not a magic. Practice daily. Stay confident and never stop speaking. Which tip will you first try? Comment below. Like, subscribe this channel. I hope this video will help you learn English. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर जरूर कीजिए। ऐसी वीडियो के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना जल्दी से यूज में। ओके फ्रेंड्स, बाय। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।